Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Boss from Home. This is the channel that I show you guys more behind the scenes of my life as an entrepreneur, someone who works from home and is a new wife. I show you guys how I balance it all without going insane. So today I want to talk about how I started my own business with $0. I know so many of you guys have reached out to me saying that you really want to have a subscription box business, you really want to have your own product out there, but you just have low funds or no funds. That's completely common, you know, that's where I started off. So I just want to show you that it is possible and you don't have to allow money to stop you from starting your own business. Just a little backstory. I am the owner of my own subscription box business called the Nazi Curl Club, which is a subscription box for women with locks or natural hair. This box is a quarterly box that goes out and has a lot of items for hair care, lifestyle. It is Black owned and it supports Black owned businesses and women entrepreneurs. So I started that business last year November, towards the end of November. Actually, I launched the business on Black Friday. So that's when I officially opened it up to the public. All of the pre-sales began and so forth. But before I actually launched the business, it was a thought in my mind for a while. I got my inspiration from my Mac computer and how beautifully it was packaged, and I was so inspired by how Apple takes their time to present quality so you feel really good about your purchase. So me having a platform, my second channel being mostly about hair care, I wanted to have a box that's centered around hair care and help to solve the problems that are so evident in the lock community, where we don't have a lot of products that are geared towards people with locks. So that's where I wanted to step in and kind of bridge the gap in the market and present something fun and fresh to the community. What made me start the business officially was when I left my job at CVS. Yes, I worked at CVS as a shift supervisor and I hated that job, okay? When you talk about hatred for a job, I hated that job. Like, I was very grateful to God for blessing me with that job, because it was something that I definitely wanted at the time, and it really did help to not only help fund the household, you know, in addition to what my husband is doing as well, but it also helped me to get out of my shell, because I just moved to a brand new state. So it helped me to get to know the locals and kind of the culture around the area. I'm very grateful for that, but I hated the job. Like, I would come home most days frustrated with a big headache, feeling sick because I was so stressed, and it really took a toll over my mental health. So much so that I had to go ahead and send in the 2 weeks notice. I did show that on YouTube. I'm not sure if I showed that here, but if I didn't, I'm gonna go ahead and upload that video, because that's very much a video that I'm sure a lot of people are looking for. Like, what does it look like to quit your job? How does it feel going through all of the emotions? I brought you guys with me on, you know, on that journey. So if I didn't upload it on this platform, I will upload. But I quit the job, and that's when I really was starting to think about Nazi Curl Club, the subscription box business, because I was already doing YouTube and getting revenue from YouTube that made, you know, this decent amount of money every month. It helped to pay the bills, but I really wanted something more, something that would allow me to give back as well, but also to help sustain the household as well and bring money into the household. I also wanted something of my own. You know, my mom, who owned her own daycare center for a long time, showed me that having your own business is the key. Like, you don't want to work for other people without having your own. Having a 9-to-5 is great, but you also want to have something of your own that you can call your own, and that's just something that I've grown up with. So yeah, so I quit the job back in September, and only months later I decided to go ahead and launch my subscription box business. So it was a thought in my mind for a little over a year, but I really got the gears rolling over the course of 2 months. I'm just that kind of sporadic person. Once I think of something, I'm going to do it, and I want to do it quickly. I started with no money because I quit my job already. You know, we already paid off bills and stuff like that, so I had no money to put into the business. I originally wanted to have one of my credit cards set aside to pay off for the subscription box, custom boxes, the products, the shipping supplies and all of that stuff. I had my mind to do that beforehand, but of course, as life comes, you know, things happen and change. So I did not have all of that was going to bills. So what I did was create a landing page. A landing page is a one-page website that pretty much previews what is to come. This page is meant to gather the interest of your followers and all internet visitors, people that visit your website. This page is meant to solely grab emails. So what I did was I created a landing page that gave just a little tidbit about what the product that I was about to launch, which was my subscription box business. I gave just a little bit of what that was and how it will add value to their lives. I also presented a giveaway where I was giving away 3 gift cards, just for the sake of giving and giving back to my followers and people that support me for so long on my YouTube channel. So this is a great way to gather emails, because emails are key. You want to gather up as many emails as possible. The best way to do it is a giveaway, because people want to know what's in it for them, and business is all about service anyway. So if you're providing for other people, you'll never go without. If you let them know how this will benefit their lives, first of all, take some time beforehand to think about what will benefit them and where their kind of weak points are in whatever area of business that you are in, and how you can greatly serve them. And so when you are presenting your landing page, you can show them, hey, I have this amazing product that's going to enrich your lives in such a way that you will have clear skin in 60 days, you know, XYZ, whatever your product is about. And present a giveaway, because people want to know what's in it for them. And if you give them something free, they will give you their emails. And so the reason why I say gather up as many emails as possible is because these emails are your kind of audience, your first audience. These emails that you send to them can be once a week or once every other week, just to kind of give them a teaser of what's to come, you know, just to pique their interest so that they stay interested in what it is that you're about to launch, because you have this exciting product that you are constantly updating them about. Not too constantly, you don't want it to be like you're, you know, a bugaboo in their emails, but you want to give just a little taste of what is to come and excite them, so that once you launch whatever it is, they're excited to go ahead and purchase whatever it is that you have, that you're launching. I spent a full month gathering emails. I gathered up to 500 emails that 1 month, and it's just because I was presenting a product that I promised would enrich their lives and really help them with their hair care and lifestyle. And also it was attached to a giveaway that, you know, a giveaway with money, gift cards that they can use towards Christmas shopping or just treating themselves, and just an appreciation gift pretty much for everyone that supported my channel and allowed me to be able to launch this new business. You want them to remember it. You want them to, every time they see an email from you, be excited to open it up real quick. Over the course of a month, I gathered up emails, sent emails, showing them a little snippet of the behind the scenes of, you know, getting the packaging, asking them questions about what they want, because this is really important for me, and especially for you if you want to provide a product that really helps your target audience. So asking questions, showed pictures of what the things that will be in the first box, little sneak peeks, and so that really gained the attraction of a lot of people. And I had a very high email open rate, which is what you really want when you send out these emails. You don't want to send out emails and like have a low percentage of people that open your emails. So in the beginning, I had maybe about 30% email open rate, which is great. And so when I finally decided to pre-launch, I did not launch just as yet, but I pre-launched, and I opened up the official website to the people on the email list. So by the time I alerted my email list, they were already at an all-time high, excited and ready to see the product that I was launching. And as soon as they hit the pre-launch page, I gave them the opportunity to pre-order. And this is key because pre-ordering will help you to gather up all of the money that you need to go ahead and purchase the items in your subscription box. Do not launch right away if you don't have the funds. Your pre-launch, which will allow your customers to pre-order, helps you to get all of that money. You can have the pre-launch for about a month to 2 months, where you gather up all that money from the pre-order sales, and then you go ahead and shop around for the custom boxes, the products, the shipping products, and so forth. That is key. That is what helped me to launch my business with $0. I used the pre-order money to go ahead and fund the official launch of the subscription box. So I did officially launch about a month after I pre-launched, and now I'm still in business today, and we're doing okay. You know, I'm still very new at all of this, but I am excited to still be learning and growing, and I'm excited to share what it is that I learn here on this channel, because I realize more and more that there are so many people out there that want to do the same thing but just don't have the know-how or just someone to tell them how to do it. I want to be that person to share what knowledge that I know as we all grow together. So pre-order, all right? And so let's just kind of backtrack what I said. So number one, you want to create a landing page, which is a one web page website that will have the opportunity for your website viewer to put in their email address, and you want a giveaway. The giveaway includes, you know, you must put in your email address and whatever other instructions that you have, and gather up as many emails as you can. Over the course of a month to 2 months, send out emails to, you know, whet the interest of your target audience and get the buzz going. And your next step after that is to pre-launch. Pre-launch for about 1 month to 2 months, so that you can get all of those pre-order sales in, and you can shop around for the products for your box and start with no money at all in your pocket, and everything from your subscription box goes back into the business, and it just keeps revolving in that way. So I hope that this video was helpful to you. That's how I started with no money. I, you know, quit my job, and my plans didn't go as planned, but thankfully something good came out of all of that. And you know, I have my subscription box, and I'm still learning and growing to this day. So if you have any more questions, let me know down below, because I love answering questions, and I love creating videos that will help inspire you guys to go after the dreams that are in your heart, and just motivate you towards that, because I know a lot of people want to do it. So yeah, subscribe, because we will be uploading twice on this channel, and yeah, be on the lookout for more videos to come, and I'll see you in the next video. Later guys, bye.